In this video, I'll show you how to trade more safely on Pocket Option and avoid the mistake of believing in a never-lost strategy. Before we start, it's important to understand one thing clearly. No trading strategy can win every single trade. Any video, signal, or method that promises guaranteed profit is not being realistic. Markets can move suddenly, and every trade carries risk. So instead of looking for a magic strategy, focus on building a simple trading plan with proper risk management. First, open your Pocket Option account and switch to the demo account. The demo account is the best place to test any strategy without using real money. Practice there until you understand how the market reacts. Next, choose only one or two assets to follow. Don't jump between too many charts. When you focus on fewer assets, it becomes easier to understand price movement, support and resistance levels, and common patterns. Now check the trend. If the market is moving upward, look for buying opportunities. If the market is moving downward, look for selling opportunities. Avoid trading when the market is moving sideways or changing direction too quickly. Before entering a trade, wait for confirmation. For example, you can look for price touching a support or resistance area, then wait for a strong candle movement in your expected direction. Don't enter just because you feel the price might move. Also, manage your trade amount carefully. A common rule is to risk only a small percentage of your balance on each trade. This helps protect your account if you lose several trades in a row. Set a daily limit for both profit and loss. Once you reach that limit, stop trading for the day. This helps you avoid emotional decisions and revenge trading. The real goal is not to win every trade. The goal is to trade with discipline, control your risk, and improve your decisions over time. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.